Coming in real quick to talk about my candle blend for Saturday, or just the candles that I wanted to blend together. The notes behind this blend is, of course, this candle, which is a Lavender Bergamot. I really wanted to capture this scent and really play on the lavender and bergamot scent notes. As you do see, it's bright lavender, bergamot zest, and vanilla bean. Of course, there's more scent notes at the bottom. So because I wanted to do the lavender and bergamot, so of course I had to go look through my stash and find some candles that had those scents. And I wanted to burn some of these candles as well as put on my warmer. So of course, everything is centered around the lavender and bergamot. The lavender bergamot candle also has the tonka bean scent note in it. But for the life of me, I could not find any candle in my collection with the tonka bean note. So I will be taking a mental note to try to find some tonka bean candles. I probably do have some, but for the life of me, I just could not think of which one has that tonka bean note in it. So I had to X that out, which we all do know tonka bean is like, I think, a luxury version of vanilla. But I really wanted to find something with that particular scent note, the tonka bean scent note in it. Because of the bergamot, I decided to grab bergamot waters. A lot of people say bergamot waters do not throw. The scent notes in this one is bergamot, blue waters, and sandalwood. Of course, that's just the scent notes on the front. They really just highlight like the main stuff. But on the bottom, it also has a little bit of citrus in it as well. So again, because I did have these two in a single wick, so these were the ones that I did put on the warmer. So now I decided to grab this AQ, the AQ Acquiesce candle in lavender and chaparral candle. So I did grab this one, and then I decided to do this bergamot plus birch as well. As y'all do see the scent notes in this Acquiesce, however you pronounce it, in this candle. It has lavender, Spanish sage, chaparral, and sandalwood. And then the bergamot and birch has the bergamot, the amber, the birchwood in it. So yes, to me, so as far as the scent, you get more of a fresh citrus because bergamot is a citrus scent. For us, that chaparral, that is more of a woody note. I really didn't get that, but it did complement the birch pretty good. So that's the reason why I'm kind of glad I did use that one, because you have the birch wood and then you have the chaparral wood. I think it's like an evergreen, so according to when I looked it up. So yes, I mean, this blend was really good. If you like bergamot heavy scents, you know, if you like fresh scents, then this will be a pretty good blend to do if you have these candles. But you could always swap this one out for maybe another lavender candle with the wood scent or woody note in it. But I really wish I could have used more of a tonka bean. That's what I really wanted to do. But again, this blend is more of a lavender, bergamot, woody type of scent. Even though that woody note did not come out in this blend, it was more bergamot heavy. I know I keep saying that, but this was very bergamot heavy. The lavender almost disappeared in this blend. Yeah, it almost disappeared. And as far as using this bergamot water candle, I think I think if I had more of a bergamot slash wood scented candle, I think I would have preferred that. I might redo this blend and take out the bergamot waters candle and just leave in the bergamot and birch and still do the other ones. So I might do this blend. So next time I might do this blend, and I think it might work a little bit better. And I might add in one more lavender candle. I might add in something like lavender marshmallow or lavender or vanilla lavender. I might add in something like that to give it a little bit of a sweet note. So yeah, that's just another option if you don't have the bergamot water, and if you don't have this particular candle, you could always add in lavender marshmallow or vanilla lavender or any lavender candle, because you cannot get this lavender bergamot candle anymore. It has been discontinued, and so far it has not came back out. So I don't know. If you could find these tester candles, I highly recommend it. This is a good candle to have in your collection. So yes, so all summer long I'm gonna be trying to use up, or not use, I shouldn't say use up because I'm not going to use them up, but I'm gonna try to blend more with my lavender candles. So this summer will be a lavender forward thing for me. I don't know, I'm just saying, maybe. So yeah, that's what I blended with this, and that's the scent I got. It was more bergamot heavy. The lavender bergamot was not balanced. To me, it came out to be more of a bergamot blend. So yes, it came out pretty decent. I really wanted the blend to be balanced. I really wanted to be equal part lavender and equal part bergamot. But I think because of some of the candles I use, which is this one, and then this lavender bergamot is very bergamot heavy. So I think that's the reason why this blend came out to be more bergamot than lavender. So on my next try, I think I'm gonna use more lavender candles, because bergamot just overpowers everything. So it was fresh, it was slightly citrus, it was a good throw, a good blend. I really like the blend, but that wasn't really what I was looking for. So again, I will try this blend again. I do recommend this blend. If you could find these candles, or if you have these candles already in your collection, try to blend. There we go. All right. Until the next blend, I'll see y'all later. All right.